Hey guys, welcome back to Dan's Kitchen. Today we're gonna be making pork schnitzel, or in the English language, pork cutlet. And we're gonna do two variations of it. We're gonna do the authentic, we're gonna try to do the authentic German style, but we're gonna do it my way. So how can I say it? It'll have the old world look, but it's gonna taste a little bit different. So stay tuned. Okay, you know the rules of the kitchen. Always wash your hands. Use a good soap. And there we go. Now we're ready to our first procedure. Okay, we're gonna have something I call dirty mashed potatoes with that. So we're gonna start making them now. And I like using my mandolin slicer. Better. We're all getting them all uniform like that. So okay, I sliced up all our potatoes, but before we do anything else, I rinse them in some water, get all that starch off, let them soak, matter of fact, for a few minutes. And that's what we're gonna do, let that soak. And then we're gonna move on to the next project, and that's onion. I want a little bit of onion in there, so let that soak. I don't know if you can see it, you see how the water gets foamy, and the water gets a little bit dark. These potatoes were clean, but that's the starch coming off of them. Let that soak for a few minutes. Now, next process, onion. It's set up, I'm gonna go a little bit thinner. There you go. Now you can feel it cutting. Let me show you what it looks like. Can you see it? So it comes out really uniform. Then you just take it like this. There you go, that's good to go right there. We'll just leave that one like that. Okay, we got that onion chopped just the way I like it. Not too big, not too small. And we're gonna move this over here. And I'm gonna put it in the bowl. And I lost some just right there. There you go. Now, next process. We're gonna chop up some bacon. Oh man, that onion's strong. Okay, this is end pieces, and it's not uniform bacon, but it's just as tasty. And matter of fact, I even think it costs more than the other one. But I'm just gonna use a little bit of it, not that much, because I want the grease and I want the taste. So we'll save that for later, tomorrow's breakfast. Okay, we don't need a lot, so that's how come I didn't use all of it. Cut up in little pieces, but we're gonna chop it again. So I got a frying pan behind me getting hot. Okay, got all that chopped up, and now we're gonna take it to our frying pan that's getting hot, and we're gonna throw it in there. Okay, we're at the frying pan. I'm gonna dump this in there. Like I said, we didn't need a lot of bacon, but I needed the grease, so just put that in there. This is just regular old corn oil. I'm just throwing a little bit in there just to get things started. See what I mean? Got started. Okay, our bacon is getting crispy. It's right where I need it to be at. And I turned down the stove, and I'm going to take out this bacon for now. And just let it sit for a while. Like I said, I didn't need that much bacon, but I needed the grease. Okay, I strained these, and now we're just going to put them in there just like that. And I'm going to put the lid on it for a few minutes, let that steam and cook at the same time, and we'll see you then. Okay, next step, pork loin sliced in from Costco. So what I do is I put it on some saran wrap, cover it up so that way I don't have pork flying all over the house. And what you do is you take your mallet, smooth side, and beat inside out. I got a few more pieces to go, but I'm going to show you how thin I get it. And I leave the fat on because, believe it or not, the fat tastes good. This is the size it was, and this is the size it is now after I beat it. So it does a pretty good job. We'll see you in a few minutes. Okay, let's check on our potatoes. All right. That's just the way I want them. I want them brown. Remember, these are going to be mashed potatoes. I call them dirty mashed potatoes. So then we're going to add the onion. Then we're going to add some butter. Then we're going to add the cream. Now we're going to add our onions. Then we're going to add some green onion to that too. You see? Let that go for another few minutes. I'll see you in a little bit. 1 tablespoon of chicken bouillon. A 1/2 tablespoon of black pepper. And we're going to go with that for now. And then we're going to add a little bit of milk. This is Carnation evaporated milk. We're going to put 12 ounces, about 6 ounces. And then we're going to add a little bit of butter. 3 tablespoons. Of margarine. And now we're going to add our green onion. This was about, how many sticks of this? 4. We're going to put about 4 of that in there, just like that. And we'll let that go for a while. Really, they're done. And I'm going to turn it on real low. And you know what? I'm going to add my bacon in there now too. Just add that in there, just like that. Okay, about that much of margarine, like that. I don't want it to burn or get brown, but I just want it in there. And then we're going to need a little bit of flour. All right, it's cooking, so I'm just going to add a little bit of flour. About a 1/2 cup. Just like that. Now, cold milk. Get us some cold milk. Hot roux and cold milk makes a smooth sauce. So that's what I'm doing. And just smash that down. Okay, that's where I want it. Now our cheese. Turn that down a little bit. Okay, we got some Velveeta cheese. Good old Velveeta. So we got that in there. That incorporate. Okay, back again. Our cheese sauce is finished. I added about a 1/2 tablespoon of chicken seasoning, a 1/4 spoon, not even a 1/4 spoon, a pinch of black pepper, and I'm gonna give it a taste. It's got the perfect texture for broccoli anyways, and that's the way I want it. And let me give it a taste. Perfect. Okay, I got 4 cups of water boiling there, and I'm gonna take maybe 3 tablespoons of butter, throw that in there, let that melt. Okay, we're gonna go with a 1/2 tablespoon, a teaspoon of onion, 1/2 teaspoon of garlic, a tablespoon of parsley, just like that. I decided to add a little chicken seasoning, 3/4 of a tablespoon, like that. Okay, we got about a 1/2 cup chicken gravy here, the powdered, and I mix it with water, and I just dumped it in there. We might have to add a little bit more, but we'll see once it starts getting thicker. Okay, I added about a 1/2 cup more of gravy, and it's about where I want it at, right about there. And it's gonna cook for another minute or so. I'll see you then. Okay, this is a 1/2 cup of this Louisiana chicken fry, and I'm putting that in there just like that. 3/4 tablespoons of onion, This is the wet part. Just a little bit of water, maybe 1 cup of water. Just like that. That's gonna be our wet mix. We mix that up. This is supposed to be pre-seasoned, but I like to add a little bit more pepper, a little bit more garlic or onion. That's just the way I want that. 1 cup of this. That's a half cup. That's 1 cup. Okay. Put a little black pepper in that one too. Okay, there you go. Okay, now take your thin pork loin. No egg, no nothing. Then put it in this. Okay, here we go. That oil is hot. And I'm gonna try to get another piece in there. Let that one fry up a little bit. That meat is super thin, it's not gonna take a long time. Try to get another piece. Keep one in there. And this one. Okay, now I'm going to turn them again. Let that crisp up for another 45 seconds. Okay, we're ready to make schnitzel.
This looks really good. What do we got going on here, Chef?
This is called pork schnitzel. It's a German favorite. The way they serve it is with salad. The only thing that we did different is we didn't use breadcrumbs. We used chicken fry on it.
Okay.
And I think you'll like it this way. Try it.
Okay, let's give it a shot. Wow, it's so soft at the same time, huh?
This is awesome, man.
Everything's better with the cracker.
Wow.
A lot of flavor. Stays cooked right.
It's like
Water.
real crispy, some tanginess in there,
Cause the lemon.
and man, very, very tasty.
Yeah.
Delicious.
I never had pork chop like this.
But stay tuned. We're gonna do the American version of this, and it's called pork cutlet, and it's a home-style meal. It's gonna come with broccoli and mashed potatoes and gravy, and you're gonna enjoy that too.
So this is German,
This is German
and now
style.
we're gonna
Do
taste
good old American, red, white, and
little
blue.
American way.
Yep.
All right, let's give it a shot.
Hello.
What's the situation here,
This is
Chef?
pork cutlets. It's
Okay.
the same meat, but no lemon, and it's
Okay.
got gravy on it. This is the way Americans eat. This is a home-style meal.
Okay, let's give it a shot. See what it is. So nothing that goes on it, just like that.
No,
This
you
is
want-
pork as well, right?
Same thing.
Okay.
Jam packed with flavor. Wow.
It does have that American diner taste.
There you go. That's what I was going for. High five, high five.
It was very good.